Kibaito asamagana yumanya ramugusaka ase chinsemo au koruji nsemo yitugo sesemiri Nyamira mo ne nsemo ya Kisii protokoska bosioni gobono mokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua anyareka otabunde serikali nigenda kubike mirubiri ya bene kwene kibuna ekeginga gekobunugati ya University ya Kenyatta amonenya gitari ya Kenyatta University jingana faro kujeri kugayanwa erikore tobo matobu ya ase University kaukwana ritukora rekaraikirana asokobekero chiguto ko boroki wase University yo niga atabuna serikali yabikire mirubiri yo asamato yena kumakira mbuya vice chancellor Paul Wainaina we University yo anekranya diga kwegerera ekeginga University yo.
And Dr. William Ruto was not elected as president. Your land had already been grabbed after Professor Wainaina and the council were removed. We have hence instructed the Ministry of Lands to cancel those allocations and reinstate the lands to Kenyatta University. And President William Ruto made a promise during the campaign that if elected president, one of the things he'll do is to reinstate the University Council and Professor Wainaina as Vice Chancellor. Has it happened or it has not happened? Sinikusema na kutenda. And I want to say and I want to challenge all those given the responsibility to run our institutions. Please be firm. Never be intimidated to do the wrong things. Professor Wainaina refused impunity. He refused to cooperate in allowing